Hello and welcome to the Crypto Street Trading channel. Hope you guys are doing good and taking benefit from all the content that we're posting on our channel. So guys, this is really amazing days we are having. So from 22nd of August, 21st August. So if you go back and from that date, just see how many scrolls I have to make to reach the bottom. All right. So these are all successful trades, all successful TPs that we have hit, and this is the power of our analysis. All right, and we are providing some really good trades. Let's just look at this one. So this is Sol, all 10.25%, and this is Flow. Everyone see this one as well. So this is 9.98%. So we are hitting good profits. All right, you click on that. If you're a group member, you can just click on that and you can see the trade from which on which we are referring to, just like this Sol. So you can see this Sol trade, how we have given this, and what are our targets. All right, and now this is closed. We have hit successfully our target, and we are in profit definitely. And we are giving all spot signals. We are doing great, and this is huge. Just come and look at all the trades. This is look at this one, 7.51%. So this is guys 7.15%. All right, so this is Atom Cosmos in front of you. Just click on that, and if you see this is a setup which we have provided August 23. So this is good, great guys. It's everything is going so good in our server. There are multiple TP hits, and the most attractive thing from our side, so we do risky trades as well. All right, so risky trade means like it's just a little bit of section. We have 0.77% SL, and TP is 3%, so it's like more than 1:3. All right, and we are doing multiple of that. In front of you see just this one, CHR USDT, and here is the trade which we have provided. All right, we are doing great. We are doing multiple things here, and so you can see all of the success in front of you, and you can be a part of that. You can definitely earn those, as you can see, Alice all TP hit, Soul all, ENJ. So we are doing great. All right, and you can be a part of that. EGLD all TP hit, and if you go see the trade, so this is the trade. We have not uploaded a picture of that, but this is in front of you. You can see the numbers, and we have definitely hit the target. All right, everything is going good. So this is not all actually what we are referring to. Our group members are also very happy with the progress, and the most important thing is this one, guys, that I wanted to show you, that we're not just providing signals. We have a bot as well. All right, so in the bot, you do not have to do anything. You just have to allocate, create the trade, and allocate the budget for that, and it is a continuously buying and selling thing, and it generates you a good profit. So the volatile market right now we have, so market is in a good direction, in a bullish direction. Market is in upward trajectory, so it is this is the time to earn good profits. All right, so whenever market goes down, we buy. Whenever market goes high, we sell. So this is what our bot is doing, and we are making good profits on that, and this is huge. So guys, be a part of this community and earn your profits and earn a regular passive income. So all see this activity. We have regular people here, and we are just making good uh, we are just making good progress with our trades. Everything is going good. We have premium sections which you can see when you join, and not just that, we have a lot of active trades going on right now. So you can be a part of that, all of them. Just join and start trading and make some good profits for you, and definitely it will be good. And the most important thing is we are going to enter soon into the alt season, and that would be the time where every coin, everyone can make huge money. And if you position yourself according to that, that would be some great income generating activity for you guys. All right, we'll conclude this here, and we will see you in the next video. Everything is going good. All right, so we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for your time.